How to fix WhatsApp download failed. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if WhatsApp says download failed. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So whenever you receive a media from someone on WhatsApp and when you try to simply open up that media, it says download failed. Well, that issue could likely occur due to multiple reasons. The very first reason could be that the sender actually sent you that particular media, but it didn't get delivered to your WhatsApp device because let's say your phone was turned off for some reason. And later what happened is that after that sender sent you that particular media, they deleted it from their phone. Now when you open up WhatsApp on your phone, when you turn on your mobile and then you open WhatsApp, you see a media has been sent, but when you try to download that media, it simply says download failed. So that could be one of the reasons why, because the sender sent you, but the message didn't get delivered to your phone because your phone was turned off, and the sender deleted the media from the device, and now when you open it, it could simply say download failed. The other reason could also be due to lack of storage, because when you don't have storage left on your device, that could be another reason why you're not being able to download media. In order to check that, we'll just go ahead and open up settings and we will go to battery and device care option over here. And in most cases, it could be the problem with your storage. So simply verify as to whether or not you have enough storage on your device available. I would just recommend you to go ahead and then free up some storage in order to fix this issue. If not, then what I will do is come to apps, and on the list of these apps, we will simply look for WhatsApp. So just go ahead and then type in WhatsApp on this list over here. Once you type in WhatsApp, go to the option called storage and just go ahead and clear the cache. And most likely this time it will definitely solve the problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.